Let's open our busy book. Look at all the fun things inside. Buttons, zippers, buckles, and more. Are you ready to play? First, let's button the shirt. Push it in and pop. 1 button, 2 buttons. Wow, you're doing great. Now let's lace the shoe and out loop around. Look how the laces dance. Tie it up tight, just like magic. Time for buckles. Click, click, click. Boing! Silly green shape. Zip, zip, zip. Square, square, square.
Star. Triangle. Square.
Fun to learn shapes. Star.
Busy book fun is the best kind of fun. Great job, little helper.